DIMO is upgrading to 2.0 by creating an all-in-one app, a giveaway for their newest device, and a way to earn prizes. So first, let's start with the new update. You may have noticed that in this new update, the app wants you to migrate your existing cars and tokens. That is because DIMO wants to get rid of the confusing user experience that comes with having an external wallet like MetaMask. So instead, the wallet will be within the DIMO app. To do this, after updating the app, you will notice a new color scheme of red and white instead of their old black and white logo. Log into your DIMO account. I suggest using the second option. Then connect your old wallet that you used to create your DIMO account, then migrate. Now, if you have a migration error like I did, you can always email their support team at support@dimo.zone, but I was able to fix it myself by closing the app and then trying again. This time I was sure to switch my MetaMask to my Polygon network before connecting to the DIMO app. Now you know if it works, if it makes you sign something and then pops up MetaMask again to confirm a transaction. Now the first transaction you have to do, but the second one to migrate your DIMO coins is optional. I'm going to go ahead and do it, but in reality, I think you should just keep it on your MetaMask. So just keep in mind that your new DIMO tokens will be sent to your DIMO app. And after that, you just need to sign in again using your passkey. And there you have it. You will see here in the rewards section that you can now send your coins. Now, if you would like to sell your coins, you can still do it the same way as I showcase in this video. However, you may have to send your coins to your MetaMask first in order to get it to work. So now that you've migrated over the app, let me tell you how you can actually earn points and rewards. And later I'll tell you about the giveaway. So with DIMO 2.0, they have started quests. These quests are things that you can complete to earn points and then later redeem to earn prizes. Now, I'm not really sure what prizes you could get. Maybe you could get some merch or save up for discounts or even a free DIMO device, or maybe you can convert them into DIMO tokens later or something. I'm not sure. But the quests right now are fairly easy and simple. All you need to do is like follow them on X, aka Twitter, or subscribe to their YouTube channel. But there are some other things here, and I'll show you real quick. There's like a whole bunch of retweeting and stuff like that. The YouTube isn't working for me right now. Hopefully it works for you. I'm going to email them about that. I did want to showcase two things though. One is the download the DIMO app. If you guys need help with this, it's kind of confusing because I had to log out in order to find the secret word in order to get those 50 points. So what I had to do was log out of the app, and right there it will say evaluate your driving experience. So the secret word that they want you to put in here is evaluate. And the second thing I'd like to show you is design a Discord emote. So they're doing a little challenge out there. You can create a new design, and I need your guys' help because I do want to create an emoji for DIMO's Discord. Let me know ideas in the comments down below. It has to be red themed, the new red and white theme that they have, and I'm not sure what it could be. Maybe I want to create an emote for like their quest, to something to just symbolize their quest. Now let's move on over to how to actually apply for their giveaway that they're doing. So after you're done questing, you can actually claim some free stickers and enter in a chance to win a brand new LTE R1 DIMO, their brand new device. So definitely keep in mind that it's only the first 1,000 to fill out the form can get a free sticker and a chance to win one of the 25 brand new devices. And the winner will be chosen on December 15th. Now, if you would like to enter a second giveaway, I'm also doing a giveaway. Just take a look at this video where I basically showcase everything I know about the brand new DIMO device. Where is it? Oh, found it. I hidden in plain sight. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to be giving away not this brand new one. I'm going to be giving away the Macaron because I'm going to be upgrading to this one and getting rid of some of my old ones. More details about it in that video. So just let me know what you think of DIMO 2.0 with their new update, and be sure to see how much I earn with my DIMO during my monthly live streams. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a great month, and God bless. Peace. Found it. So basically, yeah, we're going to be giving this away. I'm gonna do that again. Oh, found it.